Hi guys, so today we're gonna go to the candy shop. So it's the thunderstorm right now, yeah. Uh, yeah. So I got like 3 needles and this one's just a toy.
And this little is Skittles.
Yeah, I know. That's my nephew right there. She's in a voice. Okay, so here, yeah, Skittles or something. Now we're gonna go. Where should I go again? Where am I going again? Where am I going again? Oh, right, yeah.
You know the hide and seek?
Right over there. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Come on. Yeah, this is her store. It's really a lot of stuff.
And it looks like there's a birthday.
I know.
Then
Yeah, she's on this floor. Okay, that's my cousin. She's okay. He's sorta like 8.
9 years old or 8 years old.
No, she's 10.
Oh, he's
Okay. Whatever. Okay, so now
This
we're
is a
gonna
bus thingy. Okay, this is the one.
so I'm gonna
playing YouTuber.
so I'm gonna play so I'm gonna
Kira ka? Kira ka? Eh, turungay mo ngayon ko rin di mabali mo niyog.
yeah, hold on.
Hi, Lily. Wait.
Wait.
When you're happy and you know you clap your hands. When you're happy and you know you clap your hands.
Okay, so
You really want
that's it for today.
When you're happy and you know you clap your hands.
Bye.